I think it's important reminder that we can't put this pandemic behind us until people all over the world get access to the vaccine. The major issue is that a lack of vaccines in any part of the world creates a reservoir for the virus, can create more contagious and severe variants, which then tend to spread across the globe. So not everybody is not protected until all of us are protected. It's also shown us, the pandemic has also shown us that, for equitable distribution, the vaccine development and manufacturing ecosystems need to be developed closer geographically to the places where people who need them actually live. And this will be an essential plan, part of preparing for the future. Well, India has had this remarkable feat of having administered over 800 million doses of COVID vaccine. And it's really been made possible because of long-term investment in both vaccine manufacturing as well as the delivery infrastructure. If you notice today, more than 30 Indian companies are at various stages of R&D and manufacture of COVID vaccines. We can feel really quite positive about the local development of Covishield by the Serum Institute of India, the indigenously produced Covaxin by Bharat Biotech in partnership with ICMR, the ZyCoV-D by Zydus Cadila, the first DNA vaccine to receive emergency use authorization in the world. And there are many more in the pipeline. Other candidates are things like Covovax being developed by Serum Institute, Corbevax by BioE. There's even a novel intranasal vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech that's in clinical trials. And also not to forget an mRNA vaccine that's being developed by Genova. And then, of course, there are many, many more to come. The Indian government has played a very critical role here. Their investment for making COVID vaccines through Mission COVID Suraksha, and also historic support for healthcare manufacturing infrastructure over the decades in various parts of the country have really significantly contributed to not only the ongoing vaccine drive, but also many safe, innovative, and affordable vaccines to fight diseases in India and across the world. Historically, India has supplied over 60% of vaccines to low and middle income countries, saving literally millions of lives. And over these last couple of decades, Foundation has partnered both with the government of India and vaccine manufacturers such as Serum Institute, Bharat Biotech, BioE, both directly to do push funding to help them to develop vaccines of importance, as well as through UNICEF Gavi, in terms of tackling, using vaccines to tackle the deadliest childhood diseases from meningitis to pneumonia to diarrheal diseases. And ultimately, it's really enabled the Make in India industrial dream. This pandemic is again a clear example of why such long-term investments in healthcare are crucial to the future. And the foundation will continue to support these along with the government to make sure our capacity continues to grow over time.